morning. Welcome to SA's online classes. Student, we were reading chapter 2nd, Special Letters of our English language book Cornerstone. In our last video, our topic was special letters. So student, we have read about special letters in our last video and included this topic special letters. We have read and solved exercise A, join the dots, color the object within page number 3. And after this students, we have read and solved exercise A, look at these pictures, fill in the missing letters, and exercise B, fill in the blanks to get the names of the parts of the face. Then match the words to the parts of the face which on page number 4 in our English language book Cornerstone in our last video. And students, today's our topics are special letters, missing letters and parts of the face. So students, included these topics, we will read and solve exercise A, answer these questions, and exercise B, fill in the missing letters. And after this then we will read and solve exercise C, fill in the blanks to get the names of the parts of the face of this chapter 2nd special letters in our Fair English Language Notebook in our today's class. So all students with special listener class, listen to my class because firstly we are going to read and solve exercise A, answer these questions, and after this students we will read and solve exercise B and C of this chapter 2nd in our Fair English Language Notebook in our today's class. Okay, so students, let's see chapter number 8, chapter 2, and the name of this chapter 2 is special letters. Special means vishes, letters means achar. Special letters, it's in vishes achar. It's the name of our chapter 2nd. Okay, let's see exercise A. Your exercise A is answer these questions. Answer means उत्तर दीजिए. These means in, questions means प्रश्नों के. Answer these questions, it's mean in प्रश्नों के उत्तर दीजिए. Let's see first number question. Your first number question is what are special letters? What means क्या? R means है. Special means विशेष. Letters means अक्षर. What are special letters? विशेष अक्षर क्या है? So student, we have read that there are 26 letters in our English alphabet. हमारी इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट में 26 letters होते हैं. हमारी अंग्रेजी की वर्णमाला में 26 अक्षर होते हैं. A to Z कितने लेटर्स होते हैं? 26. इन 26 लेटर्स में कुछ लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो स्पेशल लेटर्स होते हैं, विशेष अक्षर होते हैं. ओके एंड ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, ये जो स्पेशल लेटर्स होते हैं वो क्या होते हैं? A, E, I, O एंड U. ओके, तो A to Z में जितने भी लेटर्स होते हैं 26 लेटर्स में ये 5 लेटर्स ऐसे होते हैं जो स्पेशल लेटर्स होते हैं, जो विशेष अक्षर होते हैं. और ये जो स्पेशल लेटर्स है वो क्या है? A, E, I, O and U. Okay, so students, your first number answer is the letters A, E, I, O and U are called special letters. Okay, the letters, it's mean अक्षर A, E, I, O and means और U and means है, called means कहते हैं, special letters means विशेष अक्षर. Okay, the letters A, E, I, O and U are called special letters. It's mean A, E, I, O और U विशेष अक्षर कहलाते हैं या A, E, I, O और U को विशेष अक्षर कहते हैं. Okay, so students, we have solved this first number question and now we are going to solve second number question. Okay, let's see second number question. Your second number question is what is the other name of special letters? Okay, what means क्या? It means है, the other means दूसरा, name means नाम, of means का, special letters means विशेष अक्षर. Okay, what is the other name of special letters? It's mean कि स्पेशल लेटर्स का दूसरा नाम क्या है? विशेष अक्षर का दूसरा नाम क्या है? ओके, स्पेशल लेटर्स को हम और किस नाम से जानते हैं? ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, योर सेकंड नंबर आंसर इज स्पेशल लेटर्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड वोवेल्स. ओके, स्पेशल लेटर्स, इट्स मीन विशेष अक्षर, आर मीन्स है, आल्सो मीन्स भी, कॉल्ड मीन्स कहते हैं वोवेल्स. वोवेल्स मीन्स स्वर. ओके, स्पेशल लेटर्स आर आल्सो कॉल्ड वोवेल्स. स्पेशल लेटर्स को वोवेल्स के नाम से भी जानते हैं. स्पेशल लेटर्स को हम विशेष अक्षर को स्वर भी कहते हैं. क्लियर? तो स्पेशल लेटर्स को स्टूडेंट्स और क्या बोलते हैं? वोवेल्स बोलते हैं. विशेष अक्षर को और क्या बोलते हैं? स्वर बोलते हैं. ओके, विशेष अक्षर स्वर कहलाता है. ओके, विशेष अक्षर स्वर भी कहलाते हैं. सो स्टूडेंट्स, हमारे जो 26 इंग्लिश के अल्फाबेट होते हैं उनमें 5 लेटर्स स्पेशल लेटर्स होते हैं, A, E, I, O, U, और इन स्पेशल लेटर्स को वोवेल्स भी बोलते हैं. इन विशेष अक्षर को हम स्वर भी बोलते हैं. क्लियर? सो स्टूडेंट्स, वी हैव सॉल्व्ड exercise A, answer these questions of this chapter 2nd, and I hope you have must understood both question answer of this exercise A. You have no problem in any answer of this exercise A. Okay, now we are going to solve exercise B. So all students, look at this exercise B. Your exercise B is fill in the missing letters. Fill in the missing letters, it's mean ये जो missing letters है उनसे रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करी. ओके, अदृश्य अक्षरों से रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करी. ऐसे लेटर्स जो मिस है, यहाँ पे नहीं राइट डाउन है, उनसे क्या करेंगे? उनको यहाँ पे फिल करेंगे और ये जो ब्लैंक है इनको फिल करेंगे. ओके, इन लेटर्स को राइट डाउन करेंगे और जो ब्लैंक्स है नहीं फिल करेंगे. क्लियर? Let's see first number word. Your first number word is B blank R D. Okay, so students, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank is I. Okay, so students, write down here I in this blank of first number word. Okay, and then your word become BIRD. Bird means पक्षिया चिड़िया. Clear? And I, it's your special letter. I क्या special letters है, और we can say vowel. Okay, vowel भी हम बोल सकते हैं. Clear? Let's see second number word. Your second number word is am blank G. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank of second number word to complete a word, second number word is U. Okay, so students, write down here U in this blank. Okay, and then your word become MUG, mug. Mug means मग्घा होता है, या मग भी होता है, लोटा भी होता है. Clear? And students, U, it's your special letter or vowel. U आपका special letter, विशेषण या vowel है. Okay, so are clear? Let's see third number word. Your third number word is C blank K. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank is A. Okay, so student, write down here A in this blank, and then your word becomes CAKEK. Clear? Students, A is your vowel or special letter. A आपका vowel या special letter है. Okay, special letter बोल सकते हैं, vowel बोल सकते हैं. Let's see four number word. Your four number word is H blank USE. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank is O. Okay, and then your word become HOUSE, house. House means घर. Okay, so student, O, it's also a special letters और vowel. ये एक special letter या vowel है. Okay, let's see fifth number word. Your fifth number word is SH blank ES. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank to complete our fifth number word. Okay, HO. So students, write down here O in this blank, and then your word become SHOES. So it means jute. Okay, O, it's also a special letter. वो भी आपका special letter है, and we can say also special letter vowel. हम special letter को vowel भी बोल सकते हैं. Clear? Let's see sixth number word. Your sixth number word is B blank double L. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in this blank to complete our sixth number word is E. Okay, so student, write down here E in this blank, and then your word become bell. BE double L, bell. Bell means country. E also it's your special letter. Okay, so student, in this exercise B, your special letters are I, U, A, O, O, E. All these letters your special letters or vowels. ये सारे letters आपके special letters या vowel है. विशेष अच्छा या स्वरे. Clear? Now we are going to solve exercise C because we have solved exercise A and B. हम exercise A और B solve कर चुके. Now we are going to solve exercise B. Okay, sorry, C. So all students, look at this exercise C. Okay, fill in the blanks to get the names of the parts of the face. Okay, fill in the blanks, रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए. To get means पाने के लिए. The name of the parts of the face. Okay, it's mean चेहरे के नामों को पाने के लिए. Okay, fill in the blanks to get the names of the parts of the face. It's mean चेहरे के नामों को पाने के लिए, face के name को get करने के लिए रिक्त स्थानों की पूर्ति करिए. Okay, so student, let's see. Your first number word is blank. Why blank? The correct letters which can be write down here are E and E. Okay, so student, write down here E in this first number blank, and write down E in your second number blank. Okay, and then your word become EYE. I means arc. Okay, let's see second number word. Your second number word is H blank blank R. The correct letters which can be write down here are A and I. Okay, so student, write down here A in this first number blank and I in your second number blank, and then your word become HIR. Here means barn. Okay, let's see third number word. Your third number word is CH blank N. Okay, so student, the correct letters each I. Okay, so student, write down here I in this blank to complete our third number parts of the face. Okay, and then your third number part of the face become chin. CHIN. Chin means thodi. Okay, let's see four number word. Your four number word is blank blank R. Okay, so student, the correct letter which can be write down here in these blank are E and A. Okay, so student, write down E in this first number blank and A in your second number blank, and then your word become ear. Ear means can. Clear? Let's see five number word. Your five number word is M blank blank TH. Okay, so student, the correct letters which can be write down here in these blanks are O and U. Okay, so students, fill O in this first number blank and write down U in your second number blank, and then your word become mouth. MOUTH. Okay, MOUTH. Mouth means moon. MOUTH. And let's see sixth number word. Your sixth number word is N blank S blank. Okay, so student, the correct letters which can be write down here in these blanks are O and E. Okay, so student, write down here O in this first number blank and E in your second number blank, and then your word become NOSE. Nose means snack. Okay, so students, we have solved this exercise C, and we have got the name of the parts of the face and your फेस पार्ट्स आर, आपके फेस के पार्ट्स के नेम है आई, ई आई मीन्स आँख, हेयर मीन्स बाल, chin means thodi, ear means kaan, mouth means muh, nose means naak. Okay, so student, we have solved this exercise C and I hope you must have understood this exercise C. You have no problem in this exercise C. Okay, so student, we have completed our 2 days topic. We have completed exercise A, B and C of this chapter second in our Fair English Language notebook, and I hope you must have understood all these exercise. You have no problem in any exercise of this. So students, today's classwork is that note down exercise A, answer these questions, exercise B, fill in the missing letters, and exercise C, fill in the blanks to get the names of the parts of the face of chapter 2 special letters in your Fair English Language notebook with your best handwriting. It is our today's classwork, and since your homework is that learn exercise A, B and C of chapter 4 from your Fair English Language notebook. Okay, तो स्टूडेंट आपका क्लास वर्क है कि आपका एक्सरसाइज A, B और C अपनी फेयर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की नोटबुक पे नोट डाउन करनी है विथ योर बेस्ट हैंड राइटिंग. ओके, सुंदर सुंदर सी राइटिंग है. आपका होमवर्क है कि आपको एक्सरसाइज A, B, C अपनी फेयर इंग्लिश लैंग्वेज की नोटबुक से लर्न करनी. ओके, एंड आई होप यू हैव नो प्रॉब्लम फॉर लर्निंग दैट बिकॉज आई हैव एक्सप्लेन all exercise A, B and C of this chapter second. Okay, so all students, firstly complete your classwork. Note down exercise A, B and C of this chapter second in your Fair English Language notebook with your best handwriting and send me your work here. Thank you.